Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the lock screen wallpaper automatically in this device. So in this device you can see there is only one lock screen wallpaper each and every time you can see. So let me show you how to change the lock screen wallpaper automatically in this device. For this, go to settings, then here you can see the option home screen and lock screen, then scroll down, tap on glance for realme, then turn on this option, activate on lock screen, turn on. After that you can see two options, only glance stories and wallpaper mix. So here I select the option only glance stories. Then you can see one more option, language and categories, tap on this one. So here you can see lots of categories you can see here. Then you can follow this category and this categories of photos will apply on your lock screen. So here I already follow some categories of photos you can see. If you want to follow the category, just tap on this one, follow. Now lock the device. You can see the lock screen wallpaper is changing automatically. You can see every time the lock screen wallpaper is changing. So simply in this way you can change the lock screen wallpaper automatically in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.